Hi my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will be doing bird of paradise, okay? So for this one, I want you all to make sure that your hamstrings are stretched out and then maybe a little bit of lubrication in your hip socket. Now what I want you all to understand and what I want you all to try and remember is that you can use anything which has elevation, okay? So I'm using this windowsill. All you have to do is inhale, exhale, take the leg up and place it over. As you place, breathe. Inhale, your opposite leg is going to be parallel. You want to just breathe. Inhale, exhale. Do not open the hip to the side. You want to try and make sure the hip is dropped. Breathe. Stay 3, 2, 1. Inhale, you're going to take your hands up. Exhaling, we're going to bend forward just a little bit. Stay 5. If you feel like your hamstrings are too tight, you can slightly bend your knees as well. 3, 2, 1. Exhale, we're going to go a little forward. Breathe. Stay 5. Breathe 4, 3, 2, 1. All the way forward. As you go, you can just hang your hands down. Breathe. Stay 5. Breathe 4. If you feel it's too intense, slightly bend the leg which is on top. 2, 1. We're going to come back. As we come back, inhale, look up. Exhale, we're going to come. You're going to come, bend the leg. Now, as you bend the leg, either we're going to drop the other leg, come forward. As we come forward, get the leg on top. As we get the leg on top, inhale. Exhaling, you want to try and push through, yeah? So now as you're pushing, you want to make sure that you're just staying here and breathe. The foot is going to be over here rather than keeping it up. 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhaling, we're going to bend forward. Breathe. Stay 5. Now this opposite knee might want to go down. You want to try and make sure the knee comes inwards towards you as opposed to let it do whatever it feels like, yeah? Control your body. 2, 1. Exhaling, all we're going to do is we're going to try and get either as much as you can, try and get the forehead to the windowsill. Stay 3. Now if you feel this is too intense, you can come up, okay? Otherwise you want to try and get the forehead down. 2, 1. Release your hands. Stay 5. Breathe 4, 3, 2, 1. From here, you're going to take your hand. As you take your hand, you're going to pull in. As you pull out of your hand, we're going to rotate it, okay? So you want to rotate the hand. As you rotate the hand, we're going to bend. Now, as you bend the hand, I want you all to make sure that you're just going to take this hand over. Now, you want to try and remember, you want your calf muscle always over your shoulder, okay? So the more space this has over here, the little bit more difficult it's going to be. So try and get the shoulder, the calf muscle over the shoulder. Take the hand down, rotate, grab. Now if you feel this is too intense and too tight, you can bind by using either a towel, whatever is available. You're going to try and clasp as much as you can. We're going to stay 5, breathe 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhaling, we're going to look up. As we look up, we're going to try and take the leg off if you can. If you can't, we're going to stay here. What's important is that your upper body is not going to sink into the floor but lift up. Stay 5, 4. If it's comfortable, you can lift. 3, 2, 1. From here, only if you find it comfortable and if you feel like you're ready, you can extend the leg as much as you can. If you find it comfortable. Stay 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back down. As you come back down, you're going to release. As you release, you're going to shake it up. 5. I'm going really fast, but if you want to stay for longer, you can. Just shake it up so that everything else gets back inside. 2. Same thing other side. Inhale, exhale. From here, you're going to take the left leg first. As much as you can, bend the knee, get the left over. Remember, don't make sure that the hip is up. Try and drop the hip down as much as you can. Flex the opposite leg. Stay 5, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, take your hands up. Exhale as much as you can. Just so that this lengthens out and stretches a little bit more. Stay 5, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, go lower. Breathe. Stay 5. Lengthen the spine. Try and make sure your 4 points are not facing wherever it feels like. As I mentioned, 4 points facing forward. 2, 1. Exhaling, we're just going to go down. As we go down, we're going to hang as much as you can. Feel the hamstrings. Stay 5. Breathe 5. 3, 2, 1. From there, inhaling, we are going to come up. As we come up, we're going to bend. As you bend, we're going to get the leg down, walk forward. So you're not jumping or anything, so that your knee is going to be safe. Yeah. So you're going to get the leg forward. As you get the leg forward, inhale, exhaling, push. As you push, stay. 10, 9, 3, 2, 1. You're going to get the forearms. Oh, this is a little tighter for me. Stay 5. Again, make sure the knee is not dropping in. Hold. 3, 2, 1. If you can, try and get the forehead down. Don't force, don't push. If you feel it's comfortable. Otherwise, just stay. You can even just pulse 1 and come up. Whichever is comfortable for you. 2, 3, 4. Go slowly. Remember, you want to breathe through it, okay? Don't get excited. Don't hold your breath. You're going to hold your breath. You're going to die. Why? Because science. That's 1. Release. You're going to again drop the hand up. As you drop the hand, again, same thing. As the hand goes down, you're going to rotate it, okay? So that means the eye of my elbow is going to now face you. As it faces, or rather me, as it faces, you're going to scoop. As you scoop, remember the calf comes over your shoulder. As the calf comes over, you're going to grab. As you grab, if it's comfortable, grab the other hand. Now, wherever you are, you're here, it doesn't matter as long as you are trying to progress a little bit more than usual. Stay 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, look up. Now, as you look up, you're going to breathe. Wherever you're comfortable, you can either release or hold, whichever is comfortable for you. Stay 5, 4. You want to remember, straighten the spine. 3, 2, 1. Straighten the leg as much as you can. Breathe. Stay 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back. As you come back, drop. As you drop, release. As you release, we are done. I hope this was, I know this is a little quick, but this is also, shake it out. 3, 2, 1. This is also a little quick because I want you to understand, and you all can use and do this for however long you want. 10 counts, 20 counts. Make sure your hamstrings are actually open, so that if you realize we work a lot on our hip flexors and hip rotation, so that it is able to bind. Also, you want to understand when you're doing this, your shoulders need to actually be open, so that it can actually rotate and come inside. Yeah? So you want to remember, always take